Hello guys, in this video you will know how do I find the area of a rectangle. If you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Civil Engineering Global. So let's draw the rectangles first. So this area is the L length. This one is W. Let's take an example. So we have length is equal to 20 meter, width is equal to 10 meter, area is equal to unknown. So we have to calculate the area of the rectangle. Formula is area is equal to width multiplied by length. Put the value of W and L and you will get A is equal to 20 multiplied by 10. So the area is equal to 200 meters square. That's it. Thanks.